Here, open it up.
Here. What it is. Hey. It's a camera.
Open it, open it, open it. Spread that paper off. Here, let me help you. Move your hand. Open it. There's stuff in the box. Hurry, hurry, hurry. All right, now open the box. Turn it over. Turn it over to the other side. This side.
Okay. Then we'll get with his knife, Mama.
Let me hold it. Here, Daddy, let me do it. Don't get close, baby, please. Just in case the knife slips. Okay, I think we got it. Yeah. Oh, I see something.
Here.
What is that?
A Spidey.
Put it on. Put it on.
Okay.
Put Spider-Man in the front.
That is cool, man. Let me see. Look at me. That is cool.
I like it.
Can I take this?
You know what? I bet Babani made that for you.
It looks like she did.
Look, it's a scarf to go with your hat.
Cool.
Just keep your
Nobody
neck
will ever
warm.
have one like that. You're the only one with that.
What?
What is that?
Oh.
Oh, that is cool.
A Spider-Man pants.
No, it's another. It's hat.
It's a hat and gloves and
A
scarf.
scarf with Spider-Man on it. Oh, you'll be the coolest kid at school.
That is cool, man. That is cool.
Look at me.
Look at me. That's cool. That's cool.
Hold on, let's put everything on.
That is so
Gloves.
cool.
Look, it's even got a little clip on them so you can keep your gloves together so they don't get lost. That's good. Okay. Put this hand in.
Perfect timing for the cold weather.
Mm-hmm. And then this one. Oh, you look so cute. Okay, now get the rest of your stuff out.
That is too cool, dude.
Alright, got some more stuff. Leave your gloves on.
You can leave them
You
on.
can leave them.
No.
Okay.
I don't want to leave this one.
You gonna leave your hat on?
Nope.
That is too cool.
Man. Man.
What is it? Slippers.
Spider-Man slippers?
Put those on. Take those other things off.
Yeah. I got Spider-Man slippers. Where's the other one? Where's
It's in the
Oh,
box.
look what's inside of it. A
Oh,
Spider-Man keychain.
cool.
A Spider-Man keychain.
Give me this foot.
Can we put keys in it? Can we put keys in it?
Cute.
Those are pretty cool.
Where's the other one?
Here's the other one.
Okay.
There's a zipper on the side.
Wow, those are neat.
Those are cool.
I can walk with them on.
That's right.
And look at all the clothes.
What else is in there? Whoa!
Man.
The Power Ranger shirt.
Here, let me see what this is.
It's turn it around. Spider-Man shirt.
Dad. And
Those are for Stone.
They're for Stone. Sylvester the Putty Tat.
Pussycat. Pussycat.
Okay.
Hey, some more ones.
Yeah, keep his feet warm and his legs warm. What else does Stone get in there?
Oh, some race car socks. Look, Stone Jackson.
Mom, can I put these on my stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, just pile it all together. Here's some more. It says Spider Baby.
Spider baby. Here's Spider baby.
These are Stone got some Spider Baby socks.
Ooh.
Spider baby.
Those are for Sam.
No, these are for me.
Cool.
These slippers
Oh,
are
goodness.
These slippers are too cool.
Babane.
That's the curtains.
Spider-Man curtains.
You are the coolest kid in town.
I have some more Spider-Man curtains.
Oh my goodness.
I have some more Spider-Man curtains.
Those are cool, man.
I have some more Spider-Man curtains. That's all I have.
That's a lot of good stuff.
That's all I have.
That is so cool, dude.
Look at the camera and say thank you, Babane.
Thank you, Babane.
Say love you, Babane.
I love you, Babane.
I miss you, Babane.
I miss you, Babane.
Give her a big hug.
Go like this.
All right.